Hello and welcome to Business Today Television. I am joined by the founder, CEO of Bandhan Bank, Mr. Chandrasekhar Ghosh, and also joining me is the chairman of Mastercard India currently, that is Mr. Rajnish Kumar, also of course a veteran banker who's been with the SBI. Thank you gentlemen for joining on this chat. Mr. Kumar, before I come to you, I will ask you, Mr. Ghosh, that we are currently on a year-ender note, and one big, I think, green flag for the country has been RBI's decision of not reworking on its repo rate. How do you see the Indian banking system with its risk appetite currently?
That means, given the message on that, the all risks are over. Now it is economy is going as a normal way. So that it has become very good message for country.
Great. Mr. Kumar, a couple of days back in our last interview, you had mentioned that there is a big challenge and divide between banks and fintechs in terms of who the depositor trusts. Do you see these challenges to be long-standing or they'll be done away soon?
Now, when it comes to gathering money, so nobody can compete with the banks. That is very clear. And that is what I always maintain, that banks are doing a fantastic job. But they don't know that how to deploy that money, and that is their problem, and there the fintechs can play a role in helping them to increase their outreach and help in what we call intermediation and financial inclusion. So their capability is there to lend to corporates, and banks are nowadays very happy for giving housing loans, car loans, corporates, mid-corporate, but there is a huge section of the population where their credit needs are high and that are being served by the informal sector, and that is a gap, and that is where the fintechs or digital lenders are playing a critical role.
Got it. Thank you very much. Mr. Ghosh, one quick question, and I'm going to relate it to what Mr. Kumar said. From the Bandhan Bank point of view, what are the new kind of product categories that you're exploring? Credit cards is something, home loans is something that you've been deep diving into.
You see that as a universal bank, as per the customer demand, we are time to time are introducing the new products and services. So till now we have not any one product which is called the credit card. Hopefully this financial year, but end of this financial year, it will be like to come on that credit card.
By the end of this financial year. Okay. So one key important viewpoint I'd like to get from you, while UPI is doing tremendously well in the country, Mastercard has shared previously that it could somewhere work out as a challenge for the financial banking ecosystem. Do you still see that persisting?
I don't know who said that in Mastercard, but Mastercard is very much there in India and for Indian consumers. There is some shift in the sense that the usage of debit card is going down. There are restrictions on MTR. So the unit economics doesn't work out. On the other hand, credit card business is growing in the country. So that is where the business strategy, the business mix, all that will happen. But Mastercard is very much here for India, for Indian consumers, and we'll find our way to remain profitable and serve the country and the Indian people.
Right. One last question to both of you gentlemen. One quick word of motivation that you have for India's digital story upcoming. The going on and what is to come.
India has done remarkably well, and today, or like you would have been reading in the newspapers, that GCC, Global Service Centers, they have come in big way. So India has got the talent, and globally it is recognized that when it comes to digital, India has the talent, and that talent is now being harnessed in a very big way, including there's a lot of talk about AI and its capability to create more jobs and not reduce jobs. Only today I read the statement of Chandra that AI will create more jobs. It is not going to reduce. So huge potential to improve the economy of the country and its productivity. And we must capitalize on it.
So how about you?
I say that India is a big country, and the population-wise is 70% living in rural. To reaching those people, digital is playing a very important role. I hope that it is in future for India economic growth also.
Thank you very much, gentlemen, for speaking with us. Thank you.